Hi there, this is Shawna Audet from Adventures in Arcana. Today I'm going to tell you about a wonderful speech-to-text tool that can level the field for struggling readers. Much of the Adventures in Arcana game happens online. The students go to the Student Corner section of the website where there's lots of content that they can work with. But what happens if you're a struggling reader? Well, the solution here is the Edge browser. When people access the internet, they might use Firefox or Chrome. Today I'm telling you about the Edge browser because it has a terrific speech-to-text tool built right into it. Here's how it works. It's very easy to get the Microsoft Edge browser. Simply open a Google search and type in Microsoft Edge browser, and then click on the link that's provided from Microsoft.com, and then you'll have access to the free download. Now I'm going to show you how to use the Edge browser. You start by going to whatever website you want to, so I'll pick Adventures in Arcana. And let's pick a page that has a lot of text on it so you can see how this would benefit the kids. Here's one that's got a lot. So I just click on where I would like the reading to start, and then up in this right-hand corner, in the very far right of your screen, you'll see 3 dots. Click on the dots, and then we go down to where it says Read Aloud.
How to build an Arcana character. Step 1 equals choose the type of character that you want to play. Step 2 equals give your character ability points. Step 3 equals if your character has no magical abilities.
And it's as simple as that. There are lots of different voice options. I've got it set on Microsoft Aria Online Natural, but you can see there's just so many different accents to which you could choose. You can choose the speed at which the person talks. So if someone has slower processing speed, you might want to slow the speed of the speech down, or the kids might choose to speed it up. And it's as simple as that. So I highly recommend the Edge browser. Thanks for listening.